What's my motivation now, man? What's my motivation? To no fuck the tune-up. She was 20 and had never kissed Andy. Such a gem, she walked in any room and soon every woman was oozing envy. She was innocent but far from naive, as she possessed the kind of self-control and purity that's hard to believe. In such a day and age, her ways are extinct, and people always want to comment on it, but she doesn't care what they think. She's come through far too much to settle for less, so she continues on the never-ending search for he who's gentleman-esque. The Neds and layabouts, the thugs in the cheeks, even the addicts try their hardest to deceive her with their words and their briefs. Sometimes she'd meet a guy she actually liked and dream that he'd be Mr. Right until she's seen him with his kids and his wife. Her pain was real and her intentions were good. Couldn't explain the way she'd feel watching her peers making the best of their youth. While they were flirting, she was hurting inside, but always kept a glowing shell, you know it well. A little word they call pride, but pride fades, people grow, isolation destroys. She can't be friends with the girls without engaging the boys. Life's hard enough to live with somebody to share. Every emotion, every feeling, every pleasure, every time that you're scared. Now she's an outcast, no got a baby. Her pals are talking about dick, but she's no sense of erection. She's nappy, said lay me down to rest. A pound of flesh extracted from her chest and around her legs without respect. She started clinging to all kinds, no a decent thought in mind, making up for lost time. Most of her sex are shaving their legs, braiding their heads. She's out taking ex and strangers to bed, nobody's impressed. Now she's seen as nothing less than a fuck, a piss take. Got herself into a rut where she's stuck with tit tape. Back before she was a slut, she was something ship shape, a shit state of affairs to face. A waste. It's never too late to turn yourself round. It's never too late to sing a new tune. It's never too late to ditch the drugs. Never too late to fall in love. It's never too late to make your rhymes right. It's never too late to shake where hands fight. It's never too late to change for real. It's never too late, that's the way I feel.
We as humans are consuming, leaving relics and ruins, relentlessly pursuing dreams. What the fuck are we doing? We can never turn back, went too far, left our scar, destroyed everything we had. The outlet's blacker than tar. We're so wrapped up in poverty and war and religion, we've not even noticed. We're murdering our children, here we are now. I guess it's finally happened, the end of the line. The human race should start packing like we grabbed Mother Nature, pinned her down and then raped her. Punched her and kicked her till her life was in danger. But we never stopped there, kept pushing in the hope she would break. She says she's tired and doesn't know how much more she can take. Hell on earth, make no mistake, that's what we're facing. Evil's here with us, two paths running adjacent. And I swear I seen the devil in the shadow of the moon. He said to say that he's winning, and he'll see you all soon. Bob Geldof and Live 8, all see through pics. You can fix the shit with your babysitter's Christmas tips. Poverty's a novelty you'll tire of soon. 20,000 dead babies between 11 and noon. I feel sick to the pit of my belly. Oh, I swear you can't ever fall for all the bullshit that they'll tell you. This wasn't so fucked up, it'd probably be funny. People kill for paper when they're killing for money. Somebody someday will burn to death when it's sunny. Cause I walk with spray to smell nice when we're trying to fuck someday. One way or another, our Bible splatter and jokies, and we'll become a dying breed. But even then we won't notice this life is hopeless, and my focus is on turning it round, so the future generations don't end up in the ground. We need to take a step back and have a look at ourselves to see the damage we cause when we're pursuing this wealth.
It's never too late to turn yourself round. It's never too late to sing a new tune. It's never too late to ditch the drugs. Never too late to fall in love. It's never too late to make your rhymes right. It's never too late to shake where hands fight. It's never too late to change for real. It's never too late, that's the way I feel.
Well, it's been a long night for everyone. I hope you've all enjoyed my little tale so much that you tip your waitresses with obnoxious abandon.
Finish it!
Always leave them wanting more, kiddo. That's the rule. Anyway, I've got no more to tell. Applause, applause. I got a sea breeze that's gonna up and leave with someone else if I don't get to her soon. So you kids be good and go home. Hug your families while you can. And stay away from the magic. Trust me.